Why is everyone still obsessed with Pluto? Today is our topic, and let's start with the introduction. Do you remember 2006? That was the year the astronomical community broke hearts worldwide. Today, we're looking at a trending article by Smithsonian about why everyone is still obsessed with this icy world. Our first word, to demote. Понизить в статусе должности. The opposite of promote. Pluto was demoted from a full planet to a dwarf planet. So you can see passive voice was demoted and dwarf, like 7 dwarfs. To stay on the fringes, our second phrase. Оставаться на задворках, в тени. For decades, this idea stayed on the fringes of the mainstream physics. For decades. Remember the pronunciation decade. And physics, just like maths, has this S at the end. Number 3. The darling of someone. Всеобщий любимчик. Pluto remains the darling of the public. To remain. That's a really good verb to remember. Number 4. Groundbreaking. Новаторский, революционный. Groundbreaking data revealed that liquid nitrogen recently flowed through cracks in Pluto's ice. Groundbreaking data, liquid nitrogen. Just remember these phrases, and we can also say there's nothing groundbreaking, if there is a new launch in technology, for example. And the 5th, a giant leap. Огромный скачок, шаг вперед. This discovery is a giant leap in understanding how active dwarf planets can be. Remember the pronunciation of discovery, a giant leap in something, and again, dwarf planet. Now let's discuss a super quick grammar rule. It's like versus alike. Like is usually used with a noun, like something. Like other icy worlds, Pluto has glaciers. Подобно другим ледяным мирам, на Плутоне есть ледники. Alike is used at the end of the phrase. Scientists and amateurs alike were shocked by the data. Конечно, можно это слово опустить, и предложение не изменится, но мы хотим подчеркнуть, что они в равной степени одинаково были шокированы. Scientists and amateurs alike. And if you use it with the verb look, it means похоже. The two photos look alike. They look alike. And that's it with the grammar. Now let's practice. You can see the gaps. Видите пропуски? Их нужно заполнить. Поставьте видео на паузу, сделайте это упражнение. Я сейчас покажу ответы, и мы переведем этот маленький текст. Okay, time to see the answers. Even though Pluto was demoted 20 years ago, it remains the darling of the public. Recently, scientists discovered groundbreaking data about its active ice. This discovery is a giant leap for astronomy, and it has amazed experts and amateurs alike. Несмотря на то, что хотя Плутон понизили в статусе 20 лет назад, мы обсуждали 2006 год, он остается любимчиком публики. И недавно ученые обнаружили революционные данные о его активном льде, как мы тоже обсудили, liquid nitrogen, жидкий азот. И это открытие большой шаг вперед, a giant leap для астрономии, и поразило как экспертов, так и любителей в равной степени. So, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you learned something new. I definitely learned something new. See you next time. Bye bye.